What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Polymaker's basic or PLA basic in orange. One of the things I'm not a huge fan of is the fact that the Bambulab refillable spools have a sticker when you get the refills that's right on the seam. It's very annoying. I would prefer either like some sort of pull tab system or like just putting the sticker literally somewhere else. Anyway, this is their orange, which again is their refillable or refill spool. So, you know, it's easy to save a little bit of money, as we'll talk about here later. But as you can see, it's this very nice orangey, very bright carrot kind of looking orange. Something of note is the fact that, like I said, it's a refillable one, so you got to make sure that you are getting this super flush with the spool on that side, as you can see. And we're going to go ahead and get it locked in. One of the other things too is the fact that Bambulab on their spools have a RFID chip. So if you have a Bambulab printer with AMS, you can use their settings or you know, that kind of thing, or also for their filament library. So sometimes it's pretty good. There are obviously certain concerns that people have with RFID chips, but anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this filament dryer, and I'll see you back here soon. So if you're new here, we also always print with starting out with a benchy in the generic filament settings, in this case, generic PLA. So we're going to go ahead and get that sliced up and sent over to the printer along with all the other test prints. Here they are. So first off, we have this benchy. That's in the generic settings. Looks amazing. No real major issues of quality or stringiness or anything like that. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. Overall, I'd say pretty good. No real issues there either. Next up, if I don't drop it. Next up, we have the temperature tower. The temp tower turned out very well without any sort of loss of quality. But I would say the best one is probably 200 degrees there. Just something that I think is the best without any sort of loss of quality on the spikes or grobbing or stringing there. Retraction test performed very well. Again, no stringiness, nothing like that to really write home about. Next up, we have the max volumetric speed test. And this performed very well at 20 millimeters per second cubed. Was a little bit of artifacting, as you can see there, but overall, I'd say pretty good for this filament. Next up, we have the overhang test. The overhang test did succeed at 80. Ended up looking absolutely amazing and not so much loss of quality or detail. So that's something that is very good to see. So again, just 80, you know, you might need to sometimes enable supports, but looks pretty good. Next up, we got those things dialed in and reprinted that benchy. And as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing without any sort of any real issues there, as far as I can tell. So anyway, excuse me, at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Bambulab's for their anniversary sale for less than $11 if you're buying in bulk. Usually it would be about $19.99, but again, if you buy in bulk, you can get it down to $10.99 for the refill. Anyway, my overall thoughts are that this one's a pretty good filament. I have no real major issues whatsoever with it. Absolutely beautiful orange color and something to look forward to. So anyway, that's been Bambulab's PLA Basic in orange. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to all the nice YouTube things. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other, and I hope to see you back here for the next full review. Thanks.